Today, let's take a look at the packaging scheme for duck wingtips, using the bagging machine. On the screen, set the packaging speed at 70 packages per minute. The duck wingtips are poured onto the platform by a tilting lift mechanism, and the workers place each one into the circular discharging device. Using the principle of vacuum suction to take the bag, they enter the bagging and opening workstation. According to the customer's requirements, we have equipped a high-speed coding machine to automatically print the production date. The mechanical hand accurately pushes the duck wingtips into the bag, and then injects chili oil into the next workstation. Next, the bag is cleaned by rotating air blowing at the bag opening. Then, the packaging bag is sent into the vacuum chamber, and the vacuum extraction, heat sealing, and cooling processes are carried out successively to ensure a firm and flat seal. Finally, it is output to the finished product area by the conveyor belt, completing the entire packaging process of the duck wingtips. Thanks for watching and see you on the next vlog.